Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer money from your Marcus account to another bank. Whether you're saving up for a big purchase or just managing your finances, this process is simple and secure. Marcus, by Goldman Sachs, makes it easy to move your money around, but let's break it down step by step so you can do it confidently. First things first, you'll need to log into your Marcus account. Open the Marcus app on your phone or head to their website on your computer. Once you're in, make sure you're on the dashboard where you can see your account balance and options. Next, look for the Transfers or Move Money section. It's usually right there on the main menu. Click on that, and you'll see options for internal transfers or external ones. Select External Transfer, since that's what we're doing today. Now, you'll need to add the details of the bank you're transferring to. Enter the bank's routing number and your account number. Double-check these to avoid any hiccups. Marcus might ask you to verify the external account first, which could involve a small test deposit or a quick confirmation step. Once that's set up, input the amount you want to transfer and add any notes if needed, like rent payment, for clarity. Before you hit confirm, take a second to review everything. Check the amount, the recipient bank, and any potential fees. Marcus transfers are often free, but it's good to confirm based on your account type. Once you're sure, go ahead and authorize the transfer. You'll probably need to use your Marcus login credentials or a security code for verification. After that, the money should be on its way. Transfers to external banks typically take 1 to 3 business days, so keep an eye on your other account. If you run into any issues, Marcus has great customer support. Just check the help section or give them a call. There you have it. That's how you transfer money from Marcus to another bank. It's all about staying organized and secure with your finances. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.